Welcome back to my channel, Mr.Syncly. Hello, my dear English learners. I'm so happy to see you here today. Today is a very exciting day because we're starting something brand new together. Welcome to our new 5-day English speaking challenge. For the next 5 days, we're going to practice English together, one day at a time. And I want you to make me one small promise. Show up. That's all. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to know advanced vocabulary. And you definitely don't need to speak like a native speaker. All I ask is that you show up for yourself every day, because that's where confidence begins. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a few questions. How has your day been? I hope something made you smile today. And tell me, where are you joining us from? I'd love to know. Comment your country and don't forget to add your flag. Our community is growing every day, and it's always wonderful to see learners from all around the world learning English together. Now let me ask you one more thing. Why are you learning English? Is it for work, for university, for travel, for the IELTS exam? Or maybe you simply want to speak English confidently. Whatever your reason is, I'd love to hear it. Leave a comment and tell me your goal, because every learner has a different story, and every story matters. Today I want to talk about something that I think changes everything. Many learners believe they need to know more English before they start speaking. They tell themselves, I'll start speaking when my grammar is better. I'll start speaking when I know more vocabulary. I'll start speaking when I feel confident. But here's the truth. Confidence doesn't come before speaking. Confidence comes because of speaking. Think about learning to drive a car. You can read the driving manual. You can watch hundreds of driving videos. You can understand every traffic rule. But until you actually sit behind the wheel and start driving, you won't become a confident driver. Speaking English works exactly the same way. You become comfortable by speaking, not by waiting. That's why this challenge is all about action. Every day, you'll use your voice. Every day, you'll train your brain. And every day, you'll become a little more comfortable speaking English. You don't have to sound perfect. You don't have to speak quickly. Just speak, because every sentence you say is building your fluency. And remember this, 5 minutes of speaking every day is far more powerful than 1 hour of practice once a week. Your brain learns through repetition. Your confidence grows through repetition, and fluency grows through repetition. So if you only have 5 minutes today, that's enough. Use those 5 minutes well. Speak, repeat, and trust the process. Today we're going to practice 20 English-speaking sentences together. The sentences will appear on your screen. First, listen carefully, then repeat out loud. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Don't worry if you need to repeat a sentence 2 or 3 times. That's completely normal. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is speaking. Alright, my dear learners, let's begin day 1 of your 5-day English speaking challenge. Today is the beginning of my English speaking journey. Today is the beginning of my English speaking journey. Today is the beginning of my English speaking journey. Nice. I'm ready to speak English with confidence. I'm ready to speak English with confidence. I'm ready to speak English with confidence. Brilliant. I choose progress over perfection. I choose progress over perfection. I choose progress over perfection. Amazing. I don't wait for confidence before I speak. I don't wait for confidence before I speak. I don't wait for confidence before I speak. Awesome. Let's continue. Every sentence makes me a better speaker. Every sentence makes me a better speaker. Every sentence makes me a better speaker. Amazing. I enjoy learning English one step at a time. I enjoy learning English one step at a time. I enjoy learning English one step at a time. Excellent. You're doing great. Speaking English becomes easier every day. Speaking English becomes easier every day. Speaking English becomes easier every day. Amazing. I trust myself to keep improving. I trust myself to keep improving. I trust myself to keep improving. Excellent. I speak English clearly and calmly. I speak English clearly and calmly. I speak English clearly and calmly. Nice. Don't give up. Every practice session is helping me grow. Every practice session is helping me grow. Every practice session is helping me grow. Great. That's 10 sentences done. Let's continue. I'm building a strong speaking habit. I am building a strong speaking habit. I am building a strong speaking habit. Brilliant. Small improvements matter a lot. Small improvements matter a lot. Small improvements matter a lot. Great. I believe in consistent English practice. I believe in consistent English practice. I believe in consistent English practice. Amazing. I don't compare my journey with others. I don't compare my journey with others. I don't compare my journey with others. Awesome. My only competition is who I was yesterday. My only competition is who I was yesterday. My only competition is who I was yesterday. Amazing. Don't give up. I enjoy using my voice in English. I enjoy using my voice in English. I enjoy using my voice in English. Excellent. Mistakes help me become more fluent. Mistakes help me become more fluent. Mistakes help me become more fluent. Brilliant. You're doing so well. I keep speaking even when I feel nervous. I keep speaking even when I feel nervous. I keep speaking even when I feel nervous. Awesome. I learn by practicing daily. I learn by practicing daily. I learn by practicing daily. Amazing. My confidence grows with every conversation. My confidence grows with every conversation. My confidence grows with every conversation. I'm becoming a natural English speaker. I'm becoming a natural English speaker. I'm becoming a natural English speaker. Excellent. I never give up on my English goals. I never give up on my English goals. I never give up on my English goals. My future self will thank me for today's practice. My future self will thank me for today's practice. My future self will thank me for today's practice. Brilliant. I'm proud that I showed up today. I'm proud that I showed up today. I'm proud that I showed up today. I believe I can become fluent in English. I believe I can become fluent in English. I believe I can become fluent in English. Wow, brilliant work. You have just completed day 1 of our 5-day English speaking challenge. And honestly, I'm so proud of you because the hardest part is often getting started. And today, you did exactly that. Now, here's one small challenge before tomorrow. Come back and repeat today's practice one more time. You'll be surprised how much easier the sentences feel the second time. And if you repeat them again, they'll feel even more natural. That's how fluency grows, not through perfection, but through repetition, through consistency. If you completed today's challenge, write day 1 done in the comments below. I'm cheering for every single one of you. Take care, keep speaking, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of our English speaking challenge.